Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back with this absolutely darling, quick and easy card kit. I'm on to the next page, so I thought I would bring you guys back or come back and be with you. Here is my base. It came with the kit, so I'm going to save my envelope right there. And just so you know, on the last kit that I did, I ended up with the last two cards. These are all my extras, and there is a ton in here. So, yeah, these would be perfect for your prayer. Sorry, I've got tape on me. Your prayer journals, on your any of the projects that you're doing. Your scrapbooking. I mean, how cute is this? So I didn't realize that I had an extra there. Ooh, I got an extra there that just fell out. So I'm not really sure 100% yet what I'm going to do with all this, but I'm just saving it. And I'm probably not going to pick this up again because I keep spilling it, but this is just one of the, I think this was for the, oh goodness gracious, I did that really well, didn't I? It must have, does it have a hole in it? I don't know, maybe it's just me that I'm splashing it around, but I mean, look at all the extras, and I even saved the dots out of the kind of the doily, whatever it was, lace. So what I'm going to do is just fold that in and then just save all my extras and throw that in with all my journaling goodies. So alright, here we go. I am going to use this because I think I'm going to double it up, but we'll see. Okay, so I have my card base that came with the kit. I also have the scrapbook paper that is pre-cut for each one of these, and I think that is so charming. So I'm going to put that down, and here is my tape runner, and here we go. So really you just need to add tape runner. Everything else is here. If you want to use like dimensional foam, which I have done, and I think it looks charming, I think that's always a good thing. So, but it's up to you. It's your card. You can make it any way you want. So I want to make sure which way this is folding. I want to make sure I get it done correctly. And all I'm going to do is square it up, and there we go. How's that? Easy peasy. Now, I just have to decide what I want to do next. So, I think, since that background's a little bit dark, I'm going to go for the lighter one. I know, I hear you. But I think that's the one I want to use. So, I think I'm going to go here. And so cute. These are such cute little girls. And I also have my doilies, and I also have bright pink flowers, and I really love the light gingham. So I think that's, and that actually matches, so there's that. Here is the gingham scalloped edging, and I love that. I'm going to use that. And I think I'm going to use that gingham tag on the inside. I don't think I'm going to use that. I think I'm going to save that. And this is from the other kit, or the other page. So let me see, is there anything else I want to use that's on here? Ooh, I love that flower. So I think I'm going to get that. That's another gingham flower. So let's see what we have. Alright, I'm going to pull out my doilies that came with the kit. Hold on, if I can find them. You think you're organized. You think you're organized, and then you're not. So I'm going to fold this down so I won't catch it. Alrighty. Now, a minute ago, I recognized that I am not getting these, as these are always so hard to pull apart. So, and I don't really have a good trick. I really don't. I think that's one. Nope, there's two. I can see two. That's the problem with these. You just can't see them all. But that's okay, because there's two cards per sheet. So what I'm going to do is save this one for the other card. So, alright, let me get that in there, and I'll put that back. And then I won't need this until I do the next two cards. So, here we go. I love this. So I'm going to put this down. Let's get all of our pieces here to the side. And I'm going to save this for the next card. So I'm going to put that down and just kind of play with it for a minute and decide, how do I want it to go? I think I'm going to use this from the other card on here. And I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do it. Ooh, I really like that. That is cute. Okay, or I could come down the side. Oh, and push that over. That's not bad. I mean, it's just different. I mean, that's the whole thing with these. It's just different. And it's however you want it to be. if that makes any sense whatsoever. So I like that. It's just different. So, okay, let's do it. Okay, because I want that gingham on the inside too. So I think this is how I'm going to get this one down. Oh, goodness. Guys, I got to get my creative memories. I just keep going today, and I'm not stopping to walk out there to get it. I need to get my other tape runner. But right now, I know if I get up, I won't come back. I've got so much to get done today. And it's getting to be the end of the day, and the light is going down. So, oh my gosh, I think of that. What is that? You know, if you watch the Avenger type movies, they're always telling, you know, the Hulk, the sun is setting, or whatever that is. Oh, my family always laughs at that. It's like, yeah. Alright, I love that. That is so pretty. Okay, and I think I'm going to pop her right there, but I'm going to put sticky foam behind her. So I'm going to grab that and try to remember, well, I've got another pair of scissors here. I was going to say, try to remember, oh, I see my scissors. I actually put them where they're supposed to be. Over there. Oh, goodness. Okay, and I just get this foam on Amazon. I say this on every video, but I will get questions, and I do like the thicker rolls because then I can just cut the foam the way I want it to be. The width, the length, all of that. So it works for me. Yeah, so do what works for you, and this is really affordable foam. Now, I also get on Creative Memories, I get the foam squares, which are great when you're scrapbooking. So I don't recommend lots of foam when you're, you know, putting photos in and things like that. But for paper projects, I think that this is just perfect. Okay, I hope I have her straight. I can't quite see. I think I actually do. Okay, there we go. I've got that. I'm sitting at a funny angle, so if you wonder why I'm asking this, it's because I'm sitting at a funny angle. So, alright, now, I've got a little tag here. I just have to decide, because I'm going to use all of this on all kinds of different places. So let's go to the inside. And I've got tape all over me. I'm trying to get it off. You know, do you ever notice after you're crafting, and I don't know, it can be like hours later and you look down and you've got washi on your pants and nobody's bothered to tell you all day. I mean, you're just like, oh man, that's embarrassing. So, oh, I love that butterfly. That's so sweet. But I may wait and save that for the outside. I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll put that on the outside. Okay, so I love the flowers, and I think what I'm going to do is just kind of layer up. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, let's get going here. Let me move the rest of this for the next card. Super cute. Alrighty. So I hope you guys are having a great day. It is a beautiful day here. We're having a little bit of break in the weather. It's not as hot. So I know for people down here, they are so happy. July and August are their hottest months of the year here in Texas, and you know, there'll be none of that whining. You just gotta have to deal with it and move on. So anyways, but it has definitely been a warm summer. So I mean, but to be honest, it really hasn't even been that bad. I don't even know why I'm saying it's been a warm summer. I'm not sure what I'm going to do here. I think I'm going to pop those little cuties up exactly, but I think I want the green to go first. So that will pop out. That is so cute. And I might just put that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pop all that up. You knew what I was saying there, right? I'm sorry. Anyways, you'll see when I go. Here we go. So I'm going to pop up each flower. And I think I'm just going to do a sliver for the bottom part. You will see. Uh-oh, and I think I just took the sticky off. And I did. Huh. Well, you know what? I'm not going to worry about that. I'll come back with some glue and hear that. But for y'all's sake, I'm not going to spend that time to get up and go search for it. And I think I only need like half of that, which is great because I can use the other half on the other flower. Okay, here we go. And the idea here is it's just going to kind of support that. that little stem there. So I love that. I think that is so stinking cute. Okay, now let's get this one done real quick. I think I'm going to put that there. And again, I'm going to come back. I'm going to re-support it, and I will, with glue, I'm going to re-adhere that. Sorry, the part that came off. This is really sticky stuff. If you haven't noticed, it is definitely sticky stuff. So if you want one that doesn't kind of fall apart on your hands, then maybe you spend a little bit more. But we all know I'm cheap, so, and I love this. So I want to put, I think, have a great day right there. So I'm going to support that in the middle, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. So they're still sticky on here, and if you don't want the sticky, I've said in many videos, you can just use your embossing powder and it will take it right off. But look at what I'm going to do. I want it to be sticky because I want it to connect those flowers. Isn't that cute? Oh, for goodness sakes. Wouldn't you love to get this? I know. You do not need to be a little girl. How sweet is that? Okay. So now, where's my envelope? I'm going to do my envelope and put one of these darling tags outside. I'm not. I'm going to take, she has a teddy bear. So I'm going to put the teddy bear, or no, I think I'm going to use the pink. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the little pink flowers. No, I'm not. I keep changing my mind. Can you believe it? That is so cute. I'm going to use that little bear. Okay. Sorry. It's a crafter's prerogative to change her mind. Yeah. Okay, I hear you. How stinking cute is that? Oh, and see, she has a little teddy bear there. Oh, my goodness gracious. I think that's darling. Okay, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. These are quick and easy card kits that are really fun, and 12 minutes, you've got a card and you're ready to go out the door. And it's not just a inexpensive, something you bought at the store. And I just hope that this would encourage you guys. Spend a little something in your craft supplies. Have this kind of kit ready to roll. They sell them there's Anna Griffin kits at Tuesday Morning. Pardon me, there's shaker card kits at Tuesday Morning. Just find some kits and keep them in stock. Now, I will always say it is easier to find women card kits than it is men. So when you find the men card kits, get a ton of them because they are so hard to find. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would so appreciate your feedback. Also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you be a part of us. And what else was I going to say? Share this video if it would encourage somebody else. That's what this channel is all about. It's all about encouragement. And I hope this encouraged you today. And then finally, leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you think about these. I think these are so much fun. All right, my dear sweet friends, I pray that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will be talking to you at the part 2 of this one. All right, friends, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.